friends! Welcome to our Bugs story time. We're going to read Bugs by Bob Barner with permission from Scholastic. Bugs, I want to see bugs. Butterflies that flutter in the sky. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. Friendly daddy longlegs that never bite. Grasshoppers hopping out of sight. A fuzzy caterpillar with tiny feet. Bees buzzing by flowers that smell so sweet. A long line of ants that work so much. Roly-poly bugs that curl up when I touch. Bugs, I can see buggy bugs all around me. The end. Let's sing a song about ants. In this song, we're going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Stand up and follow along with me as we sing The Ants Go Marching. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, the little one stops to tie her shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, the little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6, the little one stops to pick up sticks, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8, the little one stops to shut the gate, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10, the little one stops to say the end. Did you know that insects are bugs, but not all bugs are insects? Insects is the name that scientists call them. All animals on the earth are grouped by the body parts they have. Let's look at the body parts all insects have. All insects have a head. On their head, they have compound eyes. Compound eyes are thousands of tiny little eyes to help them see detail. Every insect has 2 antennae and mouth parts on their head. Every insect has a thorax in the middle where their legs and wings attach. And every insect has an abdomen at the end where their stomach and eggs are. Every insect has 6 legs, and every insect has 2 antennae. The antennae are feelers that help them sense the world and help them smell the things around them. Some insects have wings, but wings are optional. Not all insects have wings. Let's sing a song about insect body parts. Every insect has a head, thorax, and abdomen, 6 legs, antennae, and some have wings. Stand with me to sing our song. Every insect has 3 parts, has 3 parts, has 3 parts. Every insect has 3 parts, and I can name them all. Head and thorax, abdomen, 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 head and thorax, abdomen. An insect has 3 parts. Every insect has 6 legs, has 6 legs, has 6 legs. Every insect has 6 legs, count them all to see. Every insect has antennae, has antennae, has antennae. Every insect has antennae, that is how they smell. Insects usually have some wings, have some wings, have some wings. Insects usually have some wings, that is how they fly. Every insect has 3 parts, has 6 legs and antennae. Every insect has these things, and some even have wings. Do you know that a caterpillar is an insect? They look like they have a lot of legs, but they only have 6 legs, and they have stumpy prolegs with hooks that help them hang on to things. Caterpillars grow up to become butterflies, and butterflies have 6 legs. Let's read a book about the insect life cycle and learn how a caterpillar hatches from an egg and grows up to become a beautiful butterfly. Insect life cycle. When you were born, your body was shaped a lot like it is now. It was smaller, of course, but you had a head, legs, arms, and a torso. When you grow up, your body shape will be about the same. Some baby animals look nothing like the adults they will become. These animals have a different kind of life cycle. A life cycle is a series of changes an animal goes through during its life. Insects have fascinating life cycles. Some insects have a 4-stage life cycle. The insect lives as an egg, larva, pupa, and an adult. Others have a 3-stage life cycle. The insect is born as an egg, hatches as a nymph, and changes into an adult. There are more than 800,000 different kinds of insects. They include butterflies and beetles, fleas and flies, crickets and chiggers. Although they come in almost every shape, most insects have a few things in common. All insects have 6 legs. Their bodies are divided into 3 parts. Most insects have wings and can fly. Most insects also wear their skeletons outside their bodies as hard shells. And all insects begin as eggs. You can find insect eggs everywhere if you know where to look. Most insects lay their eggs near the food they like to eat. Moths and butterflies lay eggs underneath leaves. Dung beetles lay eggs in balls of animal poop. Many flies lay eggs on meat. Some insects even lay eggs on other animals. Many insects make special cases to protect their eggs. One insect puts foam around her eggs. You may have seen this cuckoo spit in tall grass. Many insects lay eggs in pools, ponds, or streams. Others lay their eggs underground. Rarely, a female insect keeps the eggs inside her body. The eggs hatch and the young are born alive. Larva. Most eggs hatch into a worm-like stage called a larva. Caterpillars, grubs, and maggots are larvae. They have long bodies and many legs. Almost all larvae are eating machines. A larva can eat more than its own body weight in one day. Many larvae can destroy crops. Some larvae suck sap from crop roots. Others devour the leaves. Others eat fruits or vegetables. Beetle larvae can weaken and kill trees. Some moth larvae eat wool clothing. On the other hand, the silkworm, a moth larva, makes silk thread. Pupa. Once the larva has grown, it must totally change its shape and it must protect itself while it does so. Many larvae spin cocoons out of silk or grow hard shells. The pupa does not eat and does not move much, but inside the insect is very busy changing shape. This change is called metamorphosis. After the metamorphosis is complete, the pupa hatches as an adult. An adult insect has wings, 6 legs, and 3 body parts. Many larvae that lived in water will hatch into adults that live on land. Larvae that lived underground will hatch above the soil. Adult insects will find mates and the females will lay eggs. Sometimes this is all the adults do. Mayfly adults live for only 1 day. Most other insects have longer adult lives. They eat, fly, hunt, and work. Nymph. In the 3-stage life cycle, eggs do not hatch as larvae. They hatch as nymphs, which look like small adults. Some nymphs do not have full wings. Others, such as the dragonfly nymph, may live underwater. Nymphs do not turn into pupa. Instead, they shed their skin as they grow. Each time they shed their skin, they look more like an adult. Slowly, the nymph transforms into an adult. The end. Okay, friends, stand up with me and we will do a rhyme about a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. Watch me wiggle from my egg, leg by leg, by leg, by leg. Watch me munch leaves high and low, and grow and grow and grow and grow. Watch the chrysalis I create, and wait and wait and wait and wait. Watch me spread new wings to dry, and fly and fly and fly goodbye. Goodbye, friends. I hope you enjoyed our Bugs, Bugs, Bugs story time.